You're stressing me. Go upstairs and flush the toilet right now.
It's not a verse like that. I go flush them.
Hey! But Chimiko, help me. Make the film wait. Make it wait.
And use air freshener. Upstairs, use air freshener. Can you imagine? I should help her wash her nyash.